Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. Reminder, if you want to work with or sponsor our page, you can have your logo down there and a link to your website, product or service in the comments below. Now, let me get on with the review. We are in Nottingham, not at the adult shop. First spotted, Jess. Are they open? That is called Delta Love. Hey, hey, Delta Love. Your logo is in the corner down there. If you want to get all the best sex toys, love items, goods, sex swings,
Stop it.
everything like that, get in the comments. Now, we're in Nottingham. Sometimes you get recommended to come somewhere. Sometimes you might see something on Instagram, think I'm going to go there. Other times you might drive past it and catch a glimpse at Disneyland, chicken and pizza. How cool is that? Got inside, it's not particularly cool. It looks anything but cool. Disneyland. No, I saw it from over there. Thought, let's go and give it a go. Maybe Walt has expanded. Maybe Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, gone into the game. Don't think they have. Right, first impressions inside look pretty run down, pretty dirty. The guys didn't look in great condition themselves, like presentation wise, it looked pretty dirty, a bit grim. However, the food in the grill did look pretty clean, but I don't know, we'll see. There was a glimmer of hope. Drink watch is appalling. Pepsi, Diet Pepsi or Pepsi Max. Literally, if you went to the cash and carry or Booker's, you would fall over a few better cans than that. Just knocking around in the aisles. It's like they've purposely tried to avoid the good drinks. Now, price watch. I probably can remember how much things were. My meal today, I can't, do you know what? It's actually not on there. That one, sorry mate, after you. That one, $4.99. So here we go.
What'd you get? Zinger, cash.
Yeah, I got a spicy. Do you like spicy? I thought, yeah, I love spicy. So I've got one. I want to try one piece chicken and chips. And whatever, we'll see.
It's literally written there.
Here we go. This is my chicken burger. It's just. Yeah, no, it looks pretty greasy to me. That's how wet that is, look.
It's quite big.
What are you talking about, just the chicken burger? Don't want any of that lettuce in there. Right, that lettuce looks like it's been out for about 3 days. All right, let's dive in. Oh God, I feel like it's gonna be horrendous. I've actually got a bit like,
So,
these are the most professional food reviews in the UK. Reminder, get your fucking words out, mate. Reminder, if you're new to the page, give us a like, give us a follow, or if you're on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. We are back in business. Isn't that right, mate? Excuse me. So, huh?
I think you might work there.
Do you work here? No. I thought about standing in front of your car. No.
Your car.
Whose is that, by the way? Is that yours? Maybe inside, okay. All right, here we go.
It looks quite chunky.
You talking about the burger? Okay. Went for the zinger, which has got a bit of heat to it. And that is coming through. It is quite spicy, which is kind of nice. However, I don't know quite how they've managed to do this. The burger is dry on the inside, but kind of greasy and wet on the outside. That's a miracle. Chicken is dry, look. Outside, you look like a outer slime. Chew it a bit, and then it goes dry on you. It does a U-turn. Does a switcheroonie. There's a big fat burger here. I'm gonna see how it's cooked. I purposely wanted to avoid the big bit in case it was raw. Nah, everything bad. All in all, oh, man's got sauce all over. All in all, pretty bad. Just see how it goes on from here. Good job, that, my love. Oh, my mouth's on fire. That is really spicy. Here we go.
Got a real zing to it.
It's got a real zest. Okay. So in here. See ya. In here. We've got some chips. Have they even seen the fryer? He's complaining. Look, he's got his drink. Here we go. Look, get on. No drink. Who's complaining? Right, chips. No what? Chips aren't actually that bad. Kind of quite a solid, clean tasting French fry. I don't know. When I say not bad, I mean not horrendous, you know? It's not exactly, it's not being the best looking man in the Burns. It doesn't mean it's, do you know what I mean?
Don't say that.
What? There we go, so.
That looks disgusting.
That is a chicken wing there on the back of what should have been a nice bit of breast. So there would have been a breast over that. Here in these kind of shops, you don't get a full breast, obviously, because it's £5 for a box. Right, skin. Same again. Super dry on the inside, but greasy and wet on the outside. How can it be dry and wet at the same time?
Like a towel.
Oh my God. A towel. What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? A towel.
All this chicken.
Right, can you see that in there, look? That chicken looks out like that. Look, that looks out of date. Look, look.
They're new, I don't... No, it's a special opening offer.
They want to stay open, they've got to do better than this. Disneyland.
Oh.
Right. Alright. Last thing to try on the UK/world's most comprehensive fast food working man's takeaway channel is a dog with a lead on its head. Hello. The dog's just, is that dog escaped or? Dog watch. Hello.
Excuse me, do you have an owner?
You okay? Where's the dog? You lost your owner? Guys, do you want a chip? You hungry?
Careful, baby. Can't feed it.
It's your dog. Oh my God. We have an owner.
Stop!
Sorry.
Stop it.
Sorry.
Could be allergic to chips.
The dog's allergic to chips?
Can you write this?
Yes. Alright. So the last thing is get back on track. I thought I was going to be shouted at them for feeding a random lady's dog. Here is the strip. That is what I saw in the window of the heat counter that actually looks not too bad. And now I've got it close to face, I'll take it back. Everything else we've had so far has been pretty bad. Disneyland. A name like Disneyland is probably all they had to try and lure people in. You know what I mean? They might have all said free food land. Right. Let's dive in. That's just, you can actually taste the sort of kind of the flour to it. Really greasy. Not overcooked though.
What's going on?
Don't know. Something's shouting. Something's going off.
I need to get out of there.
What are you trying to say about Nottingham, Jess?
I'm not saying anything like that.
That chicken. Probably some of the worst strips I've ever had. Not in a revolting discussion type of way, just like complete lack of. Hello, mate.
Hello, how are you?
You won't get lost tonight in the dark, will you? Just really bad. I'm sorry to say it. Really bad. I know you're at home saying, what would you expect for £4.99, including a drink. Oh, mask as well. Got my drink too, £4.99. What are you expecting? I was expecting better. Dry, stale, overdone chicken that's also greasy at the same time. Not good. This is what we need to avoid. I came in here with high hopes, a great name, good looking menu. They've even got rosettes type things in the window. Special opening offer. The only thing they might win a rosette for is the fastest shop to open and then to shut down. This is pretty bad. Walt Disneyland.
It's not Walt Disneyland.
Chicken and pizza, Nottingham. You've been a laugh, had fun. We showed your food on the channel. Am I going to be back? Fuck no. Time for a score. I'm going to give this a 2.3 out of 10. I'm standing here wishing the sex shop was open, and that is a review.